How to fix Snapchat login temporarily disabled. So if you want to fix your Snapchat login, then first you need to open up your browser. You can go with any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'll be here with Chrome browser. And once you open your browser, now you can tap on the search bar and then search for Snapchat support. And once you search for Snapchat support, you can go for the first option, which will be Snapchat support, and you can simply go for contact us. And now you need to choose the second option, which is I can't access my account, and then scroll down and go for the last second option, which is my account is locked. And now here under my account has been temporarily locked, here you will have accounts site. Tap on that account site, and now you need to log into your Snapchat. So enter your email address and then tap on next and enter your password. And here, once you log into your account, if your account has been disabled or if your account has been logged temporarily, then you will have unlock option. So for now, my account has not been logged or my account has not been disabled temporarily. So I don't have that option. So if your account has been disabled or logged, then you will have unlock option on the bottom of your screen. You can simply tap on unlock and your account will be unlocked. So that's it. That's how you fix your Snapchat login temporarily disabled problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.